So now we're going to take our basic step and do it together with our partner. If you don't have a partner with you at this moment, that's okay. Just dance with a ghost partner. They're amazing follows or leaders. They do anything that you need them to do. And if you do have a partner with you right now, then of course you can do it together. So we're going to go ahead and face our partner. The guys are going to ask for the hands with the palms up. The ladies are going to give them the hands. You want the palm to be totally relaxed on top of his hand, and the arms, you're just going to give him the weight of your arms. So one thing I see ladies do a lot is they want to control what's going on and they want to create all this movement in the arms, but actually when you're partnering, you don't want to do any of that. You just want to let it be. And with students, when I'm one-on-one with students, it takes sometimes a lot of practice to just let go and let the arms relax. But it's something that you can start working on now. So you're going to give them the hands here, palms facing down, and we're going to go into our basic step. The ladies are actually going to step to the right on one, as opposed to when we were doing it solo. All right? So it looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do it at a different angle, so it's maybe easier to see what's going on. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your basic step with your partner. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're delighted to bring this information to you and to the world for free. If you enjoyed this, found it useful, the greatest gift you could give to us is sharing this with your friends. Hit the like button. If you have questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. More than happy to interact with you guys on this stuff. Hit the subscribe button as well. This is your ultimate bachata training series, the only video series you will ever need for the foundations of bachata.